Good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you all to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 8th, Subject Hindi, Lesson 1, Topic Prarthana. So children, we have already finished our lesson and now we are moving on to the question answers and book back exercises given for the first poem. The first poem was Prarthana. Do you remember, children? Okay, right. So now we are going to write the question answers and book back exercises for the lesson. Okay, children, we will move on. First Roman is our Shabdarth, that is meanings. The meanings were already given in each and every slide with the poem translation. So just go through the poem translation and meanings in each and every slide of session 1 and 2. And you can see here, once again, I have given you all the meanings at one place. So just go through it, children. Now, we'll move on to our second Roman, that is answer the following questions. We have already gone through the chapter. So, I believe it will be easy for you all to answer the questions given over here. First question, children. कवि भगवान से क्या याचना करता है? कवि भगवान से क्या याचना करता है? What does the poet implore to the god? First question is, what does the poet implore to the god? The answer is, कवि विपदाओं से भीत न होने की याचना करता है. The poet implores that he should never be afraid of the dangers coming on his way. So the answer is, children, the poet is asking God never to get afraid when danger comes on his way. Second question, कवि किस पर विजय पाना चाहता है? On what does the poet need to win? The question is, कवि किस पर विजय पाना चाहता है? On what does the poet needs to win? The answer is, कवि दुख पर विजय पाना चाहता है. The poet needs to win over the sadness which he have in his life. कवि किस पर विजय पाना चाहता है? On what does the poet needs to win? And the answer is, the poet needs to win on the sadness which he has in his life. Third question, children. कौन सा बल टूटना नहीं चाहिए? Which power in you should never be destroyed? The question is, which power inside you should never be destroyed? And the answer is, अंतर्बल टूटना नहीं चाहिए. The will power should never be destroyed. The will power what we have inside us, we should never destroy it. We should make it more and more powerful. So, which power you should not lose in your life? The answer is, it's will power. कौन सा बल टूटना नहीं चाहिए? The answer is, अंतर्बल टूटना नहीं चाहिए. Next question. कवि भगवान से क्या चाहता है? What does the poet need from God? The question is, what does the poet need from God? The answer is, कवि भगवान से विपदाओं के समय रक्षा चाहता है. The poet needs only one thing, that whenever danger comes in his life, he should be protected by the God. The poet needs only one thing in his life, that is, when he gets some dangers in his life, he should be protected by the God from that dangers. Okay, children? कवि भगवान से क्या चाहता है? कवि भगवान से विपदाओं के समय रक्षा चाहता है. The answer is, कवि भगवान से विपदाओं के समय रक्षा चाहता है. Okay, children? Now, third Roman, that is, fill in the blanks. The answers you can see, it is given in red with an underline. Just I'll read it. Go through the fill in the blanks. Raksha karo vipat se meri. First fill in the blanks is Raksha karo vipat se meri. Second one, तो अंतरबल टूट न जाए. तो अंतरबल टूट न जाए. नेक्स्ट, नई सांत्वना देने आओ. थर्ड वन इज नई सांत्वना देने आओ. फोर्थ वन, यही याचना प्रभुवर मेरी. फोर्थ इज यही याचना प्रभुवर मेरी. फिफ्थ वन, मिले वंचना ही यदि जग से. मिले वंचना ही यदि जग से. So children, we have finished with our assessment of first lesson. Please write the translation, meanings, question answers and fill in the blanks in your note and keep it ready. Okay children, thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.